Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Pooh Bear plush available on the market. If you're looking for the perfect Disney Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal for infants, toddlers, or even collectors, this 25-inch plush from Kids Preferred is truly a standout. From the moment you see this Winnie the Pooh plush, you'll notice the incredible attention to detail. The fabric is ultra soft and cuddly, making it ideal for little ones who love to snuggle their toys. Unlike many plush toys, this one features embroidered details, so there are no small plastic parts to worry about, making it completely safe for babies starting at 0 months and up. One of the unique touches on this plush is the crinkle sound built into Pooh's ears. This adds an engaging sensory element that can help stimulate a baby's curiosity and provide fun, interactive playtime. Whether it's a soothing bedtime companion or a playful friend during the day, this plush manages to strike the perfect balance between comfort and entertainment. At 25 inches tall, Winnie the Pooh is a jumbo-sized stuffed animal, offering a generous hug and a comforting presence for your child. It's also a perfect travel buddy, whether on a road trip, plane ride, or even the first visit to Disney. Pooh is sure to bring smiles and a sense of familiarity. The craftsmanship by Kids Preferred ensures that this plush is durable enough to withstand lots of love and play. Plus, it's machine washable, which is a huge bonus for parents who want to keep toys fresh and clean without hassle. Beyond being a toy, this Winnie the Pooh plush serves as a collectible item that appeals to all ages. It's a modern classic that ties in the magic of Disney, connecting parents' childhood memories with the joy of their children today. Overall, this stuffed animal is more than just a plush toy. It's a caring friend that offers comfort, play, and nostalgia all in one soft package. If you're searching for a Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal that combines quality, safety, and charm, this Kids Preferred Disney Baby Winnie the Pooh plush is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.